Alright guys, so you're gonna see me do the intro and the outro in the same outfit, and that's because I realized I didn't really film an intro to this video. But a quick intro, my buddy needed a mantle for his apartment. He wanted something a little sleek and modern, but still have a good rustic look, so we went with a honey stain, which you'll see throughout the process. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Let me know what you think of this modern, rustic farmhouse mantle. He sent me the design and we tweaked it so it would fit his space well, and we came up with the color together, and I really like how everything turned out, and I think it looks great in the space. So I hope you enjoy the video. Leave a like on the video, and yeah, I will try not to forget to film intros in the future. Alright, thank you. So as you just saw me do, I cut down this piece of wood, this piece of plywood that's gonna be the backing for this mantle. I just cut that to the correct depth. Oh man, that piece of wood hit me right there in the face. The correct depth, which was our 13 inches. And now I took the measurement of the actual length of this, which is gonna be 52, which is what you just saw me mark. So now we're gonna cut this on the table saw, or miter box. You know, people can say what they will about Ryobi, but the fact that my miter box can cut up to 13-inch deep pieces is a lifesaver. So we have this now cut to width. The next step we're gonna do is the dividers for this mantle. Let me fix this because, you know, presentation's everything. We're gonna cut the dividers for this with I have a piece of leftover 1x8. So obviously it's 7.5 inches wide, but the depth of this piece is 5.5 inches. So I'm gonna rip two pieces down to 5.5 inch depth, and it'll be our dividers for this mantle. Casing of the mantle, and then with that piece of plywood that we cut will go on the back right here. And then all the rough cuts are done. Now it's just time to finish everything. So sanding and staining, here we go. See, I've let the all the wood dry for about an hour now. So now we're gonna begin our assembly, and then we'll be done until it comes time to install it at the client's house. Alright guys, so that wraps up this mantle project video. I didn't really have a proper intro, so I'm back at home after installing that at my buddy's house, who was the client that I was referring to. Got it installed into some studs, holds up really nice, looks really good in the place. Goes with everything he's got going in the whole apartment feng shui. Blue, say hi. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Any cool ideas for the future, anything I could have done better, anything like that, let me know. If you try this, also let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.